G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Taking a look at the HydraPak STOW flexible bottle, the 1 litre version I've got here. They do it in a 500ml as well. Now the reason I got this is because the packs I have been using all have had a hydration pocket in the back and a hole or a port for the hydration tube to come out. This one now does not have that. Being an ultralight, and like most ultralight packs, they don't have them. Some do, but majority don't. There's advantages and disadvantages for all that. Now I ordered 2 of these. I do like the HydraPak gear, that's why I normally always buy it when I can. I do have their bladders. I have a 2 litre one, I have a 3 litre one, I have the HydraPak, I can't remember what this one's called. Oh yeah, Stask is it? I thought it had a different name, but I could be wrong. But yeah, one of these. So that I've had this one. Is this the older one? No. This one I've had about 5 or 6 years. It's still going great. I've been flat on my back, landed on that. Slid down gravel hills with that on the back, getting bounced up and down and scratched. That one has been dropped God knows how many times, and they're still going nice and secure. So that's why I like the HydraPak gear. And I have ordered something else from HydraPak, and I'll be showing you that in a couple of weeks. Excuse me again. Now the reason I got this, like I said, is because I do not have a hydration pocket in this new pack of mine, which I do like the pack, so I'm not getting rid of that just for hydration. To get it out for this, instead of ripping all that stuff, just undo the cap here and it's off. Easy, no need to get the scissors out or do any cutting. The instructions and everything on the back, the instructions is fill it up and use it really. Right, flip cap with spill proof valve. So here's the flip cap. And there's a spill proof valve on the inside. So the water won't leak out if it's tipped up down. You have to squeeze this for the water to come out, or suck on the top for the water to come through. I've seen plenty of people on YouTube using this and showing it, and it works well, that spill bit. Yeah, spill proof valve. Flexible bail handle. That's this thing. You can get these off if you want, if you don't like them. At the moment I'm going to keep this on, and that's just in case I need it, plus it may be easier to get it in and out my side pockets, which I'm going to be using this for. So it's compatible with the 28mm threaded water filters. They're like your Sawyers, so you can actually attach them straight to there and squeeze out and use this as your little dirty bag or your clean bag, or just drink straight from your Sawyer out of it. And it says fits where most hard bottles won't, like your pocket. Now let's show you. With water in, that's what it looks like. And the best part, they've designed it so the bottom comes out and it's flat. So it's not going to fall over so easy. So it's not the most stable, but it's going to be a lot easier to use it to fill it up. Now the pocket on the side of this is the 3FUL Gear Tutor 35 litre. Before I put this in, I'll show you what it normally looks like. Okay, to get the same, you're going to have to need one of them in there, and the nearest one to the size I need is that one. So you're going to have to do that normally. And I didn't want that. I wanted something that looked nice and clean. And there's nothing at the top to get caught. So let's take the bottles out. Grab this. And get it in. All that. And as you can see, that fits in there as if it was made to measure. Let's bring it closer. Pocket. Not much pressure on it, just holding it there. Easy. Now these are only going to be for storage for me to carry spare water in, because I'll be using water on the front here for when I'm actually walking or hiking. And there's the pocket on the other side for the second one. Now what stops this from actually bulging out is between this side and this side, running down here, there's a flap of this material holding it together about that far apart, so it makes it even more stable. What else have we got on here? Let's have a look. Fill, drink, pack, repeat. The durable construction and weighs 80% lighter than most hard bottles. With flexible STOW, is a perfect pocketable bottle. And the flip cap, blah blah blah, all the normal stuff. I'm trying to get you to buy it. Now another thing about this I do like is once it's empty, I don't have to leave it like this, just sitting in the pack. Can if I want. They've designed it so you can just roll it up. Let's let some air out. You get the little bell handle. You'll tuck the actual bottle through the bell handle and it'll hold it tidy as a nice small package. What more can you say about it? That I'm happy I bought these, because I'm going to have the 2 litres on either side, and I've got the 2 pockets on the front for the half a litre, the 500ml. And at the moment for that I'm using these. The weight, actually let's weigh these before I finish. Where's my scales? Am I hiding them, am I? I just had my scales. Just had them. Oh, there they are. Plug that there, turn that on. $31 grams. And one of the cheap bottles, which is a fairly light one, I bought not long ago, 130 grams. So going from that, which is a 500ml, to a 1 litre one, 1000ml, 100 grams lighter at 31 grams. Okay, hope you've enjoyed this video and you got some information. I'm not a normal person that gives you blah 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 gone. I babble on and say things and remember things as I go. So if you've enjoyed the video and this is the type of video you do enjoy, go down below please and click on the subscribe button, then click on the notification bell next to it and select all, so you can be notified of all future videos, and hit the thumbs up button I like. And if you are already a subscriber, again I thank you very much.